In today's episode, we're going to talk about this massive explosion that Bitcoin had yesterday because of this tweet from Elon Musk. He did put Bitcoin in his profile, so this had a massive impact in the Bitcoin price. We'll be discussing to see if the Bitcoin price is going to hold from this support of this descending wedge. This could be a major buying opportunity if this holds. And also we'll be checking out Ethereum here. We saw in my last video that my target would be the $1,440 levels. Potential breakout if we are in this area doing a bull flag and then probably coming and retesting the next all-time highs, which is at $1,440 range here. As you can see, this is major resistance area, so this would be the next target. This was the moment that I posted the video. We did have a little correction, but we came straight up and met the targets that I was mentioning at the $1,440 range. If you're an experienced trader and you want to take advantage of this market volatility, I'll be leaving links in the description of Bybit, Femex, Judex, also Prime XBT. If you click on one of those links, you'll be getting an amazing bonus. Bybit has got an excellent promotion code still going on. If you put JACKPOT, you'll be getting up to $600 to trade with and keeping all of the profits, guys. All of that information in the description or the pinned comment. And if you're new to trading, you can check out the Bitcoin Sensors website, also link in the description. We got great guides also how to trade Bitcoin. Here you can go through and it will show you different patterns that you can look at and detect on the charts. I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. Also, we'll be checking out DogeCoin. It has pumped over 1,000% in less than 24 hours, meaning if you would have put $1,000 2 days ago and sold at the peak, you would have done over $10,000. And all of this because of social media. Just Reddit has over 500,000 of people on the DogeCoin community, and they say that the DogeCoin is going to go up to $1. I am not invested in Dogecoin because it's a meme coin and they have an infinite supply. There's no fundamentals behind it, so I am staying away of Dogecoin. Even though it does go to $1, it's not going to have a happy ending. We'll be seeing Dalio says Bitcoin is an amazing accomplishment, considers investing in top cryptocurrency. And before we start with this episode, I need you to do something very important for me, and is going below the video and smash up the like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification for coming updates on cryptocurrency. That would be very much appreciated. Thank you very much, guys. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. In my last video, we did mention the Bitcoin price forming this double bottom pattern and possibly retesting the $35,000 range. Also the resistance here of this descending wedge. We blast out of it, and now we came back down and we are perfectly retesting this area, the top of the resistance here of this descending wedge. And on textbook technical analysis, as you can see on the image on the left side of your screen, this is extremely bullish. When we break out from a falling wedge, we usually come back down and retest the resistance of the falling wedge, and then we continue the trend to the upside. So this is a great trading opportunity in my opinion, but this pump was also because of Elon Musk putting on his Twitter account Bitcoin on his profile. So this is maybe an artificial pump, but the volume is there. We got an immense amount of volume, so I do believe that this support is going to hold and we will continue the trend to the upside. Checking out the Ethereum price here, we can see that we met my target here at the $1,440 range that I mentioned in my last video. Looks like that we are consolidating around this support area where there's a huge amount of volume profile, as you can see, around the $1,350 range. It looks like that this support area is holding nicely. Now what we are looking at to see if we're coming to retest this area again or come back down and retest this other area at the $1,200 $520 range, which in my case, I do believe we will come back up and then come and retest the top here of this ascending wedge around the $1,540 range. So this is what I'm expecting in the coming days, guys. And checking out DogeCoin has been absolutely ridiculous. We've had a 1000% pump in less than 24 hours, and this is all because of Reddit and other social media platforms. I know the DogeCoin community want to pump up the value of DogeCoin to over $1. This would have to bring the market cap to over $100 billion. You need a huge amount of people and wealthy people to get a 100 billion market cap. This is absolutely amazing. This is like GameStop also. A Reddit community pumped up the value of GameStop stock over $400. This is amazing. This is revolutionary times that we live in, because we are fighting against Wall Street and institutions thanks to social media and this technology. And 10-20 years ago, this could not happen. Checking out Dalio says Bitcoin is an amazing accomplishment, considers investing in top cryptocurrency. Billionaire hedge fund manager Dalio thinks Bitcoin is one hell of an invention that could potentially become a privately held storehold of wealth asset like gold. Dalio has been a noted Bitcoin skeptic in the past, highlighting both the risk and potential of the biggest cryptocurrency. He does caution, however, that he is not a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency expert. Bitcoin looks like a long duration option on a highly unknown future that I could put an amount of money in that I wouldn't mind losing about 80% of. That is what Bitcoin looks like to a non-expert. I am eager to be corrected and learn more. On the other hand, believe me when I tell you that I and my colleagues at Bridgewater are intentionally focusing on an alternative storehold of wealth assets. So it is happening. I know many institutions and famous billionaire investors that didn't speak well about Bitcoin in the past, and now they are starting to dip their toes into Bitcoin, like Dalio. He wants to investigate it, and potentially he'll be investing in Bitcoin very, very soon. Let me know in the comment section if you think Dalio will eventually buy Bitcoin in the coming future. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoin Census website, make sure to check it out. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy Bitcoin, how to store Bitcoin, how to trade it safely. We've got price predictions and also the latest news and technical analysis. I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Judex leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen, and I will see you guys in the next one.